Welcome to the fourth test kitchen. My name is Tulio, and today we're going to highlight two of our new and exciting products, the Forge Combi Chef Oven and the Forge Proofer Oven. The Forge Proofer Oven is a new addition that complements the recently released Combi Chef Oven. I'm going to show you some of the key features of both appliances and how together are a valuable addition to a modern commercial kitchen. Let's start with a summary of the technical features. The Forge Combi Chef is a digitally controlled 10-pan combi oven that can accept both GN11 pans and 600 by 400 baking trays. The Forge Combi Chef, it has a core probe for internal temperature cooking and multi-level tray-by-tray programming, so you can simultaneously cook different products with different timings. It has a robust aluminum encoder knob for fine adjustment, even when your hands are wet or covered. Precise moisture control settings for delicate steam cooking without the complexity of a boiler. And at the end of the shift, a choice of automatic cleaning cycle with dual detergent pumps. The Forge Proofer Oven fits perfectly as a base for the Combi Chef Oven or as a standalone unit. It has digitally controlled temperature and timer settings that maintain stable, consistent results required in precision baker environments. It can be used with or without humidity as required and has an auto-filling moisture system for easy operation. It accepts 600 by 400 baking trays, GN11 pans, and has an optional accessory to fit B05 bread pans. The unit can also be used as a holding cabinet for pre-cooked foods. To showcase the versatility of these products, I will prepare several different items that illustrate the practical application of both units. I'm going to bake some freshly made bread rolls. The dough will be placed in the proofer oven before baking. Then I will prepare some colorful fresh vegetables, followed by a roast beef using the core probe. To finish off with a classical chocolate soufflé, a delicate dish that requires stable and accurate temperature control. Let's get started. I will rest the dough in the prover at 30 degrees with humidity for about 15-20 minutes. So 120 gram rolls, we prove it for 30 minutes at 35 degrees in the prover, and we're gonna bake it 180 degrees for 22 minutes. So when we preheat the oven, we preheat at 220 because when you open the door, we're going to lose between 40 and 50 degrees. We will cook the veg at 160 degrees for 10 minutes with 20% steam. We will cook the meat at 165 degrees for 1.5 hours and 20% of steam. So now the roast is ready. We will put the tray in the prover at 60 degrees for between 13 and 15 minutes. Perfect. chocolate soufflé. Now that you have seen examples of how to use this product, there are many more possibilities. Watch our detailed video on programming the controller and explore all the different options it offers.